Okay, so you went to exactly where I was going to go. So we'll, I guess I don't likely not draw it perfectly, but maybe we'll let your brother take a shot at this. So let's say this is 2 and this is 3. So I have my 2 by 1. I guess I gotta make one a little smaller than that if I'm gonna pretend that's 3. So there's my 2 by 1. Here's my 3 by 1.
Okay.
And we're trying to see if we can figure out what this angle is. And so can we see it just from the geometry?
So we would start by labeling some things. We could label it. This would also be 1.
Okay.
This would also be 2.
Yeah.
So we could possibly create another one of these triangles.
Okay, yeah, where is that triangle? I know my picture's awful.
So this here.
Okay.
So that means that, let's see, this angle, we call it X, same as this angle. That means that these are 90 degrees. In a right triangle, in any triangle, the angles add up to 180 degrees. So it means X and this angle have to add up to 90 degrees. But this is also X.
Uh-huh.
So this has to be a right angle.
Okay, great, yeah. Super. Good find. So that is a right angle.
It's a
Yeah.
right angle.
Right, and the picture's pretty bad.
So let's see, we can say that this is 90 minus X. 90 minus X up here.
Okay. So this triangle that looks like an equilateral triangle in the middle is actually a right triangle.
Since these are congruent triangles, you know this side equals this side. So that means we know this is an isosceles right triangle. So
Okay.
that the angles on the ends have to be 45 degrees.
Nice. Great job. Great job. So that's really cool, huh?
Yeah.
So it's not. Which of the two solutions, which do you think is a more attractive solution?
Seems like this just like that looks better. It seems like you can understand it.
At least it could look better if it was drawn correctly. What do you think?
Yeah. I think there's the imaginary numbers solution is a little more interesting than just this geometry example, and probably works with other triangles a bit better. But yeah, it's kind of a neat fact to know, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, so we're now, with the camera off, we're going to try to find another identity, or maybe multiple identities that satisfy this. And then we'll come back and, that satisfy this. So that just some interesting and kind of surprising angle identities.
Okay.
And we'll come back and talk about what we found.